Yama hefo ne atiefo nyina akwaba eba Efa Hills Ministry. Da bia meka che se open nsemo a ahinta ewo eye Bible nim. Enema a ebetimi de wabobra ewa asase so. Enema betimi ama wadi yi a na eyese aha ana ohwe. Ko Facebook Efa Hills Ministry. YouTube Efa Hills Ministry. Drop a comment no na wadwen kire enema bi a wopese ye kire wo ema wote ase yie no bia wo topic bi ana enema bi ye kire wadwen ewo Bible nim enema bi ye kire wadwen ewo ye dada asetena mu ne nyina ye behwe de am ene ye ba bedi eye dwuma sonku bi bedi nkoma fa enema miensa ho ene de no eye nkoma nkofo ye comment a omulivu ye ene comment ni contributions am de toto ho ne aka nyina bom se de ye behwe ne edi ho nkomo ene de no eye nkomodie a ye hwe eye fasting prayer and marriage awaye ene nipa menini ebedi djuma no eye prophet Efa Hills eye kofar ba ode Efa Hills Ministry ba eja akwaba
yeah
you see I check the last time na obi edit was it dog na moye the power of women we me ntemo nka biom na mse yebeba na adwuma ne dooso sanse yese wonfo nso dooso a wo ye ni nyina gase wo free Kumasi ko ye program kese mpo ba ye nche osi ya na ne asa twene because ya ntwena ye nsa nya ne biom ebenya ne biom na asa nam baby foforo enti eja ene ye hwa ye ni kan hwe fasting fasting obi ebusa se fasting hu hia ye hwe se ye ba ye ndada sitena mu a on the medical side ne si nipa ye fasting na eboa eyi eye toxins free nipaduanim eboa yi nioma enye efiri nipaduanim on the spiritual side no fasting ehu hia because obi kire se esi den na nyankropo to edi ampon ono a ye jano no na de se ye kire ye nkompa ma eni hu nyina ye ja hantwo ansana asem a ye kan watie ana se ebusade bi ye de ato nanim watie obi mu se da bi no fasting ehu hia aja fasting ehu hia
fasting ehu hia papa ena fasting ye nya ne se bia me hia bibia fi Nyankopon ho na Nyankopon ama me kire kom me yemu kom na me yemu tukuru ansa na nyame atie me ndo fasting no ehia pa se dia wo ye medical doctor wonim se fasting ehia ma nipadua no sanso na ehia se Kristo ni wo ye fasting the fact is that adia chia ye wo ye friend bi say 3 square meal obi didi anopa odidi awia odidi anwumre eno na ekohe eko nipadua num now nipadua na ewo ho no eya atade a okra ne hye ena honhom no so ena de okra ne nam eti nipadua ne ye okra na atade now se nipadua ne ye okra na atade a woma nipadua ne aduane di ena ma nipanyi wo develop wa kwa ne bebre no ne ade fasting no enso ye honhom na tu mu no aduane cause wo se wo fast na honhom no ekenya eno nti na obi ye fasting na afa die wuhu bi da na wuhu na nyoma bibri and fasting no say ma o spirit no eyede ebi ohunhum ani ebi ohunhum ano e ma wo yede ankasa eyaduane a honhom no edi eti se dia wo te ho na se wandidi ama onipadua no enya honde a sanso na se wanya fasting so a eno nso no ebe ma wo honhom no enya ahonde na you week.
Aja you hwe ni say me ba honamani a meti ha na se me nidi ya me ya me hu say me yemu twa me fi mani su biri me ti na ase pa me kwa de me kom de me na me buafu because o kasa menti no anya me ate ase se fasting eye honhom na duane nti boni beka se signs and symptoms de ne bede ne de ma hu se me honhom na kom de no enu nti no eye se me ma na duane di.
Okay. Fasting ankasa no say dem di kan chire mu no. Yen sore keke nya fasting. Ansa na obaya fasting no. Ye wo kwan bibiri a enam so we are fasting. We are mostly fasting na me ye dodo ni nyina no me ye because I'm being directed. Me tene no we want so me da ho. Na be ka chere say ye fasting. Number of days as me no me yen so kwan say ehum mra nso ye ka kire me ansana ma ye last year me ye fasting for 68 days consistently non-stop obi obe me bi ani me di kan ye ma menstruation ma me di kan ye 40 days na me wie a me say like I was a me di na anopana and there's some mommy another instruction. Menya 14 days. Maybe 14 days now another instruction is another 14 days. The 14 plus 14, 28 plus 40, 68. Wow. So me the sa picture no, me ma kwan say yemfa sa picture no meto abefo fidie suma obi ehu omaga so anyame a. Because body no esofare na honhom na nyi 68 days the only thing na mefa ensure pa more no instruction ni bi no
Na bankunga
banku dia say na manya fasting
dabi aja me bawo nti sa 68 days ya wo kan emunim bankunim fufuo nim ampesie nim
bibia nim
68 days
and say wo di ampesie kan na di fufuo kan obewu
68 days
yes
ne
na nanti ekura ho ye mede
me wi America my man better 68 hours ne because
now yen sha asem bi a nyankopon anate bible no eka Matthew chapter 6 verse 16 to 18 or can say be fasting e ho hihye say the eye no yankoi also moreover when you fast do not be like the hypocrite. You will be more a hypocrite with a sad countenance. Fasting na me pa the ne fasting here na me kura ne pa no to obi amisa na hwe kura no start ebo amane
oti wananim nyina
bosa chese uhu na no hu se bibi ha no
ko busa nse de asemo nye sofu na etwa fasting place bi amai see
oh anya fasting me di adansie bi me koye program bi okumase na yegusu aye program administration mu a ena one lady onkonkron apeke no onkonkron peke no ena o mama information bi se men kan tell lady no na me ka tell lady na me ka say madam you're fasting from the program now from the day I program to the end of the program sana nyankopon se me ma wonye wonim no na lady ni eye ulcer patient mensu nipa ni mu die mu nim so ye ulcer patient and I sorry bi nsu na I invite me and amako enti no me nim no da
And the crown also patient no fasting crown yet.
Good. Enti make a just on your fasting. Na me man quotation so using prayer how I saw bonfire. The me so started that na Friday all night. Na make us all started the following week Monday till the end till Sunday I will be a program. Means one can just be a so for me yemu ha me nya all sa na say one can be a chebe. And okoi na asem adanse obedie na asem okan na make a show you. So for ya wo ka se menye fasting me so be wo all sa e na wo say menye fasting na when hu se me wo all sa na wo say menye fasting. And also no say ade a chin na about 6 between 6 7 8 one so when dia ontumi kura ni mu plan sa to say ade a chin ye no na o ye fast na fi adwene eba eno sa adwene ne nsem eyi ne nyina no ensa nsem nyina ye obonsam na kasa gu nipa adwene no say okay obetra he eno start your disease itia no pana ewia bo still hwenya no after ewia no osan to aso anwumre afo se anwumre du ye no a obeba program na se na fe on feeling po se accommode no on ti pen bia nso biom se de na o telefitia na papa se eh ono pa oni no aye ted ntino ade sign no one feeling so obedidi nti wani di one breaki which means or you dry and na okoda ade oba program ni bi na okoda ade chinye eno so anopa na sa o si so up to Tuesday na nyumre eno so Tuesday no anyumre eno so so wani edidimu dedi ni ye fasting e wie ema all sa na e wo so no Yakopon shu etu all kind of na me meet one I was shocked. And the fasting, unless you are being directed, unless you hear the voice, I just say, dear, when I'm for you, be a problem.
O che jameti wasi ye pa. Na se say ye nsore prekope say me de na me ye fasting. Ana say say fasting no da na ye me intimidate me sori ayibi ne mum no ese wote ni bi ana fasting no so ye wo kwan a ye fa so ye no eni kwan se obi a ne se de se wote ne dare se de wo kan se wo de no eni kan wo ye 40 obeye 14 ana asa be another 14 which is
me pa cho member one say wo kan the book of Matthew na the gospel according to Matthew or say na honhom no e de Kristo ko sere no so e ma ne ko di emuada ko ye fasting 40 days 40 nights wan ka se na Kristo firi ni pe mu se me ko akoye fasting ubetira ubem Elijah ko gina ohene nani mu hye nkomo wiye no o firi ono ba Yakopon ni Yakopon say meet me at the brook of Cherith oko no koye fasting na Yakopon church na akwan the number of days we do nyina no na abofo na efi into symbolically and in the parable translation e wo ne say na a raven never man aduan what you see 80 no Moses about 80 days fasting, no food, no water, nothing, day and night, you know. Now all the presence of God. Who Yakopon and there was there Yakopon as a full brush, young water also. One free person. One free pemanco. Some maybe quite move me quite tinable poison, you know, don't sad as a Moses I here, Mr. Mikoyibi, and Radi Ubu.
I really have a makai it was school no na yen lady Belinda na imate fo nyina ware nyina ware no so no ne obakwa twea na lady for that year. The whole 2 weeks, you're fasting, my ma. Another 2 weeks, my ma. Another 2 weeks, my ma. Hey, for lady you're fasting now, about 3 months or no one before no this year. Up to now, I'm worried. And no, Yankopon antie. And now say, how are you fasting no? And no one for quite pass. And I said, when your direction be no sorry so coy. And you know, person who say, ye in daily life no, see a tiway, say, man, tini be say, ebia, SME fasting, I'm sorry, say me ya, me the spiritual benefit of it. Sanity.
And ni be saying, why because still, enemy and son and any pakasa. 3 voices that speaks to mankind. Onyankopon ni, wankasa woni, okra na oti omun ni, any obonsam ni. Na obonsam we very fast and corner. Do anya ye. Na wa assess voice no. Na also aba me koye fasting. Nini nyina de finya.
We beat you.
Obedit you. About smart. Me ya fasting bi ya nso a me bo ho mpa ese rade kwantu na odi mitu no ma me aduane ma me ho aduane ma me ho musuo no na me wie na se me ya fasting na me nti commentation me ya no se me si so sa edu ba bi na ma ase na me yirim nyina e pa me cho se me nya na me nidi because na ma se ma che se me dia me she bia nko me bi be swati
And the Yankee got top hand of a share bed, Nancy. Oh, I said, wow, come from a pretty me who dear. That is our morning pa.
It is sanity. He fasted and free pim say me no. I was situation no one say what decided why I fasted near independent decision, personal decision. What you say? But yeah, selective, I don't know yet direction from the Most High, the Creator Himself. I don't know. Oh yeah, problem here.
Yo, and no dear, oh yeah, unya problem here. And untino say fasting no, and yes sir, oh sorry ya, nene. Isan say ufira, babaji ni rent. Now usika nyansu yinsu rather than the mere fasting. Na washare na why fasting na wa twa wachira reto me twema na botu abete ha wo ya fasting ni na wani si aduane ne so wadwene nyina wadwene ni baabia wadwene na maduane ne so wa wo te adwomo bia nim se wo na wani ai busa hwe wani mu akoda wa fasting ono abro twem fast me so fasting bi wo twama ye no ye 4 days o obi abete so ye fasting eno na sa no unya benefit bi emfiri the train emma unya direction tinibi ne enchira okwan abafa so aye fasting no na fasting eye wan kasa wo kra na wo tiw mu no na duane nti se wo ye na wo ye ni yi a emma wo ye nam ana emma wo ye shi aje ye fasting ye yi me kan di bu Bible bu na ontimi nka fasting enhye da enya prayer wo me pese bu se we se obetima ya fasting ko ama abusade bi a ebi a wo de ato nyame anim ebi enfa se wo de ade bi ato nyame anim na wate ne nyankopon ne we de yisu ye specific wo de ade bi ato nyame anim na wate nyame ne se oh nyankopon se me ba ebi a ye 60 days obetima ye fasting nko a anya umu aye no anasa de se wo de prayer e ka ho nti bi se wo se fasting kwa timi edi moyeba without prayer and as a prayer and quantity di moyeba without fasting come kan miribi me kan Bible quotation bi na me duru ba bi na akoda bi atwere won so na Jesus Christ esa na yade no se ade we na ade ban no ade akomchi ene mpaibo enuti ye onima bi wo ho a akomchi quantity ye anasa this ye kam yinu ni nyina bo
omo yentafo ba bia obehu akonchen no na mpaibo
and I said, the okay, 60 days. At that time, me be a man crying you.
But me there be man on a
Because
I sell my night to buy the day. I sell my night to buy the day. Now, o question of you, Pacho.
Until me person me who said fasting nkwa ebetima ye adwuma without prayer and our prayer nkwa ebetima ye adwuma without fast and I say the me no nyina no and e say kabo
mostly no so wo ye fasting akwantu two kwan na say fasting akwantu a prayer empire now we say the ebo but what you say depending on the time journey no like the period that we call no fasting no. And fast a prayer no a communication between man and God. O can be biacho unyankopon o papa. And now watch yourself for your front to and do your front to now na communicate. Na fe honhom no edidi na honhom no yede. O see any mun payable. Sana but honhom no tie mu no di mai. Honhom be no. Enyankopon enti wudi honhom aduane eye fasting no now no honhom nsuo prayer you communicate with them, your God the creator erade say ya chure say then biblically who you should yakopon asem na kasa because o catch Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 12. I see, I watch over my words to perform them, to perform it. Deben word. Well, Kase, Job chapter 22:28. I see, ye who are where fasting, you shall declare a thing, and it shall be established, and light will shine upon your path. Enti nyina ye mpaye, Erade wasam say, wasam so na migina, Erade wasam say, wasam so na migina. Na sabrin nyina so na what is you now? What are you doing? What pa? What jawiaso? You are saying the kosubiya. What jawa rejected, and your focus is on God, and the target is you achieve something. And then you should any more hypocrite. Say there Matthew chapter 6, 16 to 18 kind. Or say them fa sra like jare na see Kama, ma nya wonim bosa mobomobo ma obi ehu se o ye fasting. No kan act so say wagya wo kukuo mu no se de be o hu kukuo mu ti obehu de wo ye no no tu osoka. E wo bejo ama obi ehu se ye Yakopon na aye. Enti se ubisa ya fasting no eni mpaebo enana. Na wo ye fasting that's all mumpire. Now the audience would ho sa de bia kwadia and now jadi dia kaye.
Okay. Aja ma mi musa se yempa e bodudu aye boyi. Ni nyina na konyame anim. Because me hwe to the boat me pompaye baako obi sha na warrior say 20 years ni. Arade mama warrior na e baka warrior mpo ho asem. Mama Wario, ta da 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 da, ta da 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 da, e ba 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 ba, e mama mama, e ba 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 ba, paya. 20 years in it. Still, am I? Empire bono, enko, ana efa baby, ana enyan rusuro. Ana aduru nemu mabusade na nyamai
sa nipa ko bebre na wo ha obo na ware empire na osan twempena fofo baby obo ware na ho empire na osan ye nyama hunu bi o baby owi a na osan papa na no kode na osan be show na obo empire na o ye fasting nipa ni so no fu wo akọ we o ya ade pa o ga we di o ya ade pa nso fi obi kunu achi na oba o no so baba shek ayi asole fi ho a start say or bomba ye fasting no atwa on so ahye bi ye fra wa mo pekuna no di mulika ko di la no so
nso aware dada na ye fo
je
ne yenhwe instance nipa no ebi a onye de yeke na
on twempena nso de oye no different
ebi a yɛmfa no sɛ ebetima ba sɛ nipa no bɔ abrabɔ tenene
onim sɛ insekurum mpo ɛwɔ bible insekurum ɔse saa nneɛma a edidi soɔ woyɛ bia wonkɔ ɔsoro ahema sɛ wonkɔ ɔsoro ahema no mu deɛ ɛne na wo fasting na woyɛ no kora deɛ ne is assign class.
Ja me question yi akɔyɛ sɛ mekan bible baabi ebi a mekan de me refi na esi odifo bi odifo bi bɔ mpaeɛ ma esi sɛ Prince of Persia o sɛ
Daniel ɔyɛ 21 days sabre no mo wɔ nkwaso ɛwɔ Babylon ɛna ɔbɔ ne mpaeɛ ɛyɛ fasting na tumi bibia from wiemu atum for the principalities esum Gabriel dem mpaeɛ bɔ no answer ne ba ɛna ɔmo bɛ stop no wɔ kwan mu. So it took the intervention of Michael and Sana Gabriel to minya kwan. Gabriel by no ma report and said Daniel Dana de first day na wo hye empire na ase na wo hye fast na ase na once and Yakopon release here. Adentia Bible di Daniel ho adanse e ho konkon tini mu. Ama ohene no ankasa no Babylon hene yere empo di Daniel ho adanse so yo obi a ho konkon de atini mu wi asini mpo atima di no ho adanse. That is the kind of person ana Daniel eye. Enti wonso a wonso mpaebo na ache na emma na mfa ho nkototo Daniel check wa brabo. O na Daniel kra boy no so kra no Prince of Persia sumu Prince of Persia bia mi twam wi yesi untwa de mu fa boy check ya brabo. Enye fasting and prayer kwa na eyem mpaebo adoye ebi mutrim odin wo sechi edin. Adoye is also a form giving, another form of prayer on its own. They are very serious. And now for the bonti na Yakopon shira Abraham, for the bonti no shira David, for the bonti na Cornelius, yetie ni sufre. Ono ko ye gentle, wo baby ko nka ho, wo ban achi. Giving can change hands. Giving wait me nyame asore fi na hinwe mu ababe konkon.
Ja o wasema waka we die mia meye a testimony awo wasema wokan se obi bia onim papa no meka Prophet Ifa Hills obi bia onim no dodo pa no na one na tena no ohun se afi na wa kire me the secret behind the success because no wa o ye fast bia no wa kire the secret behind the success no wa kire on giving no okra 4 cedis otimi mo 3 cedis 95 pesos ono so budget for the day 2 cedis 50 pesos but amount 3 cedis 95 pesos, like 5 pesos. No, they go. Or no budget for the day, no. And so you're more than a bear 3 times Sikana the Akan. And so the Bama was a faco. Not you. Rather, I see any neighbor. And God will make sure, say, or they are Masano or Cambo Mana to a Yambasho. Tinyamishan or Tia on here he was as you hear and I have it. Say, Obakona, and aja me ate ase se eto da bi wo wa na umpai bon ache no o se chie den ai se abijanfo omokoton o mie ni nsem ka wo se biem yese mma na ode be ma wo nti nyankopon se mma na ode be ma wo na so wa kan nsam amoam se abijanfo koto de a ene umpai bon se wo bo ama wo yemu twekura ni o bona unya so truth because obitimi pompa na no wonya so to was a dey no akoto vitamin C na ononom he ensu ne pipe no ntie bobi o ha o erade wa uni me contract yo ade etin ya ne afre no beje enti yonkofo bo mo mbre ewo enti ene na papa chere no giving nso ye one a serious thing on its own said on no aka eja me bibu some last week ye kana ye di besi mu se ewiemu atumfo the dark kingdom does it really exist wo ho ene ye me pese ye we di me pese we ko di bebre me pese ye hu the on say the bia no ye se bonsam ye tuntum owa beben owo tiri podua enu na enyina yenim enti ade ye tuntum bi ye black bia no we see it to be evil eno na ewo ye tirim no
okay
enu ti no ye nyame pa next week ye behwe ho ba mpese me hu se the dark kingdom na nkasa ewo ho does it really exist?
The dark kingdom exists, and Nyankopon can save me for dark kingdom. And when the dark kingdom, there were two kingdoms within the dark kingdom. And I always say, we were teaching me to Nyankopon. I do my me year research. We on me born empire. Topic, the heading it there. We nyam fan to because all my headings and I pray now on at the amame. But we will look at the BT says Satan. And I always say, people don't know who Satan is. And I'm fa bamra, and then mo ba obi am fa bamra e be bo obon samasa, o bo na ye. Uku bon sama ye. Ubo ni tua ye video bi ametwa na sofo no kuta ayi tia bofre bi no kuta mic no dia konya bab say lack of knowledge about can you perish in a bi no
31st night bay ebi mu de second beko
oh 31st night kwa dem masa de omo ye ne de me twa kra cha bibia 31st they say rituals performing of rituals for the ignorant masses. The dark kingdom exists as we see. Na me pa ebra ya be treaty say memma ni pa hu kwan e fa so a demons e bae. Demons. And I make us a dark kingdom no. There were two kingdoms within the dark kingdom. There were the satanists and there were demons. Opia so ne de oye.
Nteja odi mame we adiasa say the okan demons na I was in Google me. Me pese mo say ye wiase ya yetimu demons wa.
Omo ho pa na Nyankopon ka kire Enoch say demons ne de nipa na de ba nti ande omo nko. Oyi free pa ho. Obomo mo ne nipa tena kusi the last day of his judgment. Now bonsam de obe resist no. But demons ne de nipa na de ba.
Cause that kingdom ni the secret behind me and your man yenim ebim krase Lucifer is different from Satan is different from Lucifer atorobo atimi kire madwen bebre
yeah the same personality by different tongues kasa obonsam twi Satan brofo into the same
the teachings no so one train here a bit deceive because sa and your man kitingiti obi say because last time na me hwe obi was Lucifer
na
deviate kura was Lucifer da so te soro a on da so otonwoma Nyankopon ana ne nua be ma Satan ne de wato na metro
amama kai ayi mishana na yatete me akropon ekwapem na woman bia otonfo sabro bia otonfo senwure bia after school no dia ba ti Sarah Rollins na air president I think somewhere I think between 1991 na woman me obi a na me pa agro pa ti yeah na me kuta graphic na sabe na Rollins abeye bibi da democracy na fe na omode bantina campaign na bi magana hada fe na no man start na the first time so me di hu Rollins inti na me kuta daily graphic na me kind daily graphic na oledi ne buy Jekusu ekasa nti oba e owura afa na say mama baba o say am say eh na dia asem kase e the graphic na wo mu no o say dia asem nso ojeji abo Rollins o say JJ yes top bond do Rollins you are on pen ho asem so JJ so dey obebo no sa JJ yes top bond do you are coming na Ije ba tu ni JJ abo Rollins
we must say ye.
Oh, the when I show you na share dark share space. Christianity. Into the dark kingdom there, as I said, I had two departments. There were demonic and there was satanist. Na bemu Yakopon ya doma. Ye be baby juju.
And ye be
feel more secret.
Ye be for full story.
And let me throw a little light on my background. Maybe to say David, you know, the history of all kinds. Say that David is here, and then the David the first one say we do some pepper so that me fa hon yina. Say the Abraham, e fa ni omamu abosom samu ni ade anse we do ba bi o do obey Abraham me fa ni yina. Enti no ye can be bit e fa e ba na dark kingdom na. I know much because I was once there. I was once there. When you baby na metie, e dia tete me kase pa Togo na Benin.
Me say na say, why say ye
si se ba na say. Oh, doc, me nim kwan ya fa so a ye lebo so. So I know all of that. It is a banner say, what mama say we should come back. They can demons and the dark kingdom was some there. Forget to cry. Nyame onko grow de baba.
The Musa last one.
You may be any penny many pen.
We me dark kingdom.
Me bawo. Sunny say omo di time by no mo lead more congregation because who need idea be a woman experience and now ultimate but because they don't have experience and they don't have information about the dark kingdom, they talk and make people a bimukla mamu members who say obon some year great also and now say
hey,
no.
Are they really powerful?
Oh dear, but do you look
but you just say looky.
Go look our New Testament.
Why look brow
Mark.
Matthew, Luke,
Matthew, Mark, Luke.
Luke about
and John.
Luke
10:19. Luke 10:19. Not here the Oka. The Bible Oka. No say.
Luke 10:19. Me
10 me.
Mark na me namo.
Where Mark? Call Luke.
Because me who look what junction or baby. Answer me kind. Say look no be yira and send me be.
About 23. Wow. Luke chapter 10. Verse 19. Indeed, this is 17. Indeed, 19 or 18 year. Indeed, 19 will be here. Check 19. After 18, I can say behold,
I give you the authority.
I give you the authority, the Azusa. the
trample
dunamis
on serpents and
To do what?
scorpions. To trample on
ɔse
scorpions.
mama wo tumi mama wa kwanya sɛ tietia ɔwɔ ne ɛhwan Satan no ɔwɔ dada no ɔba Garden of Eden no ɔse wa ma wo tumi sɛ tietia no so ɛna hwan bio
and scorpions.
Scorpion ne ɛhwan demons tietia ɔmo so
And over all the powers of the enemy.
Almost two the demons and the satanists no almost your enemies so or power be almost be or city so no money.
And nothing shall by any means hurt you.
Oh, maybe you what betting my May I'm telling you and me Gina platform where you can be also a baby or gonna have be anywhere. Obetime gina mani me na me catch you o de opa wo so wa ben na wo hwe video where try me my name is Ifa Hills
what emi de man ka say try me
oh yes me say they should come
but as am to you ono na
so
so
bra abi mu betina no de so mu dwo mo na me yese na basa come you what they try who na me hu na so ma tani ama as I was at Tobo Cornell, na go grow and that's what we told you of Lachi.
Na meka no. Avetome ela bovo iya mebo.
Uni baby e friend no. The be a friend ya na me tatwe dia mpo Nyankopon brempon ju de mu jata fa ne mu ga hyase na we Nyankopon asese. O ma me the gift of prayer. And then empire prayer. We will talk of prayer today. Prayer, true prayer. And Elijah Pompire made Jeffy Soba. Prayer. And Moses Oma Epunumubai. Listen, Satan, demons will not do anything on this earth except human approve of it. Satan, demons cannot and will not do anything on this world or in this world except human approve of it.
That's just we are see a woman a timi. Upon someone said to me, Bonibia and Timmy and Yejuma without
the approval of human
being.
And let me tell you, God, the Creator Himself, will not do anything in this world except human being prove of it. This is nipa man kwai. Nipa man kwai nyawe.
That means that the earth belongs to men.
Abaku sandi beriana sakalia me.
I just said the old candy. Not to say me am ti hai mi wo tumi pa o. Because say some matia say we are see we no. Bia
bo. O se nim dia me man ni enti no ma dan. O ma yira. Ba o si unim o ti a doctor. Wo ma. Mesu wo ma. Bra wo bre ye wadwuma dia koniaba koba nyina no. Ejapade bia wo bia no. Eye o ma dia na se nyomo dia. Enti Nyankopon aka on asemu se ye ne ma. Okay, ye ne den ne ma. Ti se Nyankopon ma Bible so ama ya ti ase ase. Tumi nyina ye den eye Awurade dia. Enti
asenimu nyoma ni.
Enemu nyoma sika ne dwetɛ bibia ne dia. Enti se tumi nyina ye Awurade dia. Na se ye Awurade ma dia. Na se sa tumi na obonsam kuta na ye hwan dia.
Nyankopon dia.
Na san ye ne manso dia. Demons no powers ma water powers okuta ni nyina na se Nyankopon dia ese ye hwan so dia. Nyankopon ma dia. Enti enunti na ignorant ni
eja Matia say ya sebe memfa Asante Hene nya example.
Thank you.
Na o ma Matia say ya Asante Hene bo na hemfo.
Oh your hene bia me to no papa me
Ah.
ne papa.
Owo na man hene ewo ho. Na ɔde tumi ama na man hene no nemom ɔmo nyinaa tumi no ɛsa kɔ back to ne hɔ at the end of the day no ahemfo nketewa wasie nyinaa so tumi so ɔmo yɛ bibi nemom ɔno ne tumi no ɛboro tumi ne nyinaa nemom still ɔmo tumi so ɔmo yɛ bibi ntimate aseɛ ti sɛ mete wase yie paa nyankopɔn twedi ampon ye ne ma ye ne ya brempon no ye ya de hye no ana ɔde ne tumi no wapɔne de ama ye nemo tumi bia ye tumi bɔne bia esanse ye source no ne papa na nkasa the greater no nti ye tumi no so chance atumi mete wase yie paa
so na tie tumi bia ni apart from nyankopɔn tumi ani pa tumi ntimi mmoro no so obosam tumi onife
ja the dark kingdom ye behwe na yaka ho ase because I think said that
on say twedi ampo nyankopon ankasa oba asasi so na waba beje amansan no then human has to approve of it gate me famu a me ba asasi so of asa gate no he needed a vessel which was a vessel Mary. Mensume ba asasi so abedi dwumadi e na meti a medi a matwedi ampo nyankopon needed a vessel me maame. Oh, the America until America said nyankopon nya bibia wa asasi so unless human being approve of it. Sanso no bonsam so ntumi ba bibia wa asasi so je say nipa approve. And the Bible said they are wandering spirit. They don't have flesh. So they are looking for nipa flesh, no ultimately are activities on this earth.
What kind wandering spirit yama be kai baby Bible de mo na me hu baby a quotation wo. Na esi nyankopon se nyankopon pese o hira obi na Satan obehira na Satan pie ho. Na nyankopon se na Satan na wie gede amaboma mpesi anka bebedie na fa na nam no so awrade me amate se papa yo behira no
we are sure say Job asem
me ha
oso wo humako a Job Bible so no ne ma ehia ye no bonsam ko ntina meka say you don't know who Satan is enti me atwiti o me dia boss Satan ma won se kan ma born to pay asa who waste your energy. Yes, good to children pie bono. Our Father who art in heaven, or can say, and Satan we bind me body to you.
As a Satan,
if an Christo children say, Monco fast tomb, but Monco fast camera, and a become a master upon children. And yet Jimmy upon children or whatever man.
Satan no cry with Timoko baby. Yankupon no. And
yet, sad record and unquine a chess Satan, Yankupon and Mashia Satan.
We bia nyankopon be sha se so bona mpesi no Satan
per record na Abraham ansan ode ne ba Isaac bebo afore ye ne Satan e koso ye en okọ nyame ho bio na record na chese in the book of Joshua o se na nyankopon ne machia mu bio Satan ko ho bio no say na e chinyeje between Isaac and Ishmael. Okay. No mo dia chinye. Na Ishmael so me na me pani. After me na yedi kan twa me twetia. O bada ben. O ya kuma. Enti na odi huru ni nua no. E na ni nua na ka say okay. Se o de bia o de twetia twa be di mani a. Pese ma hu se even e ba ne se e china bi mpom papa ka se menso nyankopon se anase akoba ne se ye pe obi di na mbo afode amenso me de me hu be bo afode na Satan so
ni me ko preko a lot of fruit so na de Jesus Christ call after fasting on didn't ko dina asuro we
nti ahona na Yesu Kristo powers ni nyina a otimi obetima fra the host of heaven. I didn't want fra ma wan ba kum obonsam. Intimacy se time na ba na se owo se ye revealing nyoma bi about satanism. You revealing nyoma bi about demonism. Demons.
Ama sa when my interested, you function next week.
Me you was so bi o Ghana ha me feeling it from basin Bishop Duncan Williams. For that day. Of Empire I gift no.
Sa papa no asem no last time no because I think the last time papa you what Tamale
I Eastwood Anaba.
Yeah. No, see papa no there. Ne bro fukura ko ema Satan kura dwane.
The gift of prayer.
We insulate, we could deben, we activate.
Yeah.
Oh,
the gift no. Me feeling it too. Prayer going.
Na
Satan, who is it?
Ese befa prayer no. Any dark kingdom no.
One okode. One anoma kode. On say Bible can say me for anoma kode. See, omo twen Awurade anim no. Those who wait upon the Lord, they renew their strength like the eagle. Why? And you see another school of thought. Number 2, say eagle enamuyim na se inframana no odin se dena sebe ebubu nua e ma planes ahwehwe ase kura na kode no nya eagle nya na da ono storm na ye na the morn okoso na storm no order na say he knows the storm. But human beings don't know Satan. The Satan kekana oka krebi hey. Demons ne kekana oka krebi hey. Demons me pa na de ba ntifie bia ni wa demon enim. There is no house in this world that demons enim. Take it from here, you can't run away from them.
Church demon.
Babia! Na heaven, our master Satan alcohol, hifana. Listen, let me tell you something, Mami Beba. Those who take care of curses to work are demons. Witchcraft, and free Satan are demons. Okay. Mami, no masoka.
Because ogaso wonya bie super na
Sentina meka just one here be deviate no.
Enti ye bude ma me fan fridge mu na bien fan next week ni fan a full topic on dark kingdoms ni demons ni yes familiar spirit ni deben ya hwehwe ni nyina ya mepa next week. Ma me ko me question with prayer. Na memba marriage. Obi say marriage nkwan the only institution na Nyankopon marriage a institution Nyankopon na kasa na hyehyɛ. Na da bia ye school a nipa wo ko school wi a ni ama certificate. Yes nipa so mesi o certificate. Ba marriage nkwan school Nyankopon bi e no nkwan na ama certificate abra wo ba hyase. Inti dodo na ase marriage die ye ba no hwe ne ya first no na obi betima ware so minimi kunu tena fit 40 years ni
first marriage it's your Garden of Eden. It's your honor. This same certificate here so me Adam unyaye no, and he was able to translate the one result no so na the certificate no so no my record of Bible o say no kra we ni me dumpe in so time my boy in his absence so just here o say for this reason Berma be free na eja ho na oni oba na kokan bom no mai den awarefo nti ho na aware start free
Ese je me busa wo.
That is the origin of marriage.
Marriage no ene de kwa asore dem no. Pon no eno ne aware na nkasa.
Emo de ahi.
White wedding no.
Master Bible be no you will be a friend of white wedding and there is a room.
Because
Yen nyina ye mistake. Yen nyina yes a mistake in the pen. Say see na ye hu no kura no. Me se me ye mistake enne. Na Nyankopon adom ba china me realize here me ye nipa we are all fallible. Me hu se my mistake. Se ne enne a anka mistake bi a me ye no kamenye in marriage. Okay? Sa pope no ni Bible mu babia. Ni Bible mu babia. And obi beka say well Bible ha you say translation obia they say they translate it according to the kasa. But me ye course bi ewo Jerusalem University Hebrew and Greek Aramaic in so me go show me.
Ntina o kan Greek books in But last time I borrow library ona me hwe books me biema sabe hu ade a ya twere wo. A book yi papa yi o kan.
Nti me bo enti translations no the word bit say wedding na omaka say yes to a wedding as na odane issue ye na nsa na no obi na translating waka na kasa ye ne kurum kasa na ye wedding na ye English nya na nche say wedding no Bible says se wo hu oba na so kondo na kona ko hu upete word na kona ko hu na busuafo and osan kan ye nso se Nyankopon asemu Nyankopon mutum o se even po se wo hye oba wo force oba bi ne da ye hye oba na ware no fansa ko hu na ko hu abusuafo no kwasi broni na dey we ne ba ye na abe ma word no mutumi 3 weeks ebi kura the following day no mo jae and na emu asa emu ko plan rehearsals wo a wedding asa ho nyina enne wedding omba wedding na before omba wedding nyina no na ehu pictures
save the date
before and after ehu this just nyomo hunum kwa any Bible baby
eje denti ana me busa Madam Fubi na ehu lady bi na ose obeye lady no ho ade na se ka December impo no mo ye na mo atu asheda because oba ne se wan se saa ne omo white gown na anko gira so dem asofo anya I do no dia awale no dia ne
e na make us me no me ye mistake oja se manya mistake se me ware me yiro ba me ye mistake se me ko ye de kwasi broni ahihye so oja se ye ne anka menye de mi dwa kra ne se ye renew for other matoka na me yearly me renew me car yearly so me san ko renew ma ware ada car hene ya to se renew aware efri hen ina be share ho. Why must we compromise worldly things with the word of God? Why?
Yo, Aja. Me pese me hu me last question me say mbusa. Satan ni ndia ware ho. Because we hwe o ni nipa di nkomo o ba kire se me ware wie ye na enioma sha se esesa obo ba kire se me ware ye na enioma sha se ye basa obo ba kire se oh first na me nyan ware ye no na me ho to me ware ye enioma sesa Satan on power ana yen kasa nje nipa na asasi wesu na ware moaye
unze Satan na pamfo na kasa no omoni nje Say the okan aware no money je ho because o money je ho anka Adam ne Eve wo no koma mama momo temu nya problem mama mo ne nyame ntemu antete ama mo be sofai ene de ye hu ne toti asie eno ne de ye hu no ene aye why bebia the Bible nyakopon asam say de maka bom no manipa bi antete Satan penkabo. Mama ma one example. What say your car bit is a DAF truck at head. And the what trailer. Trailer near the a china the container siso. And a at head near the a nimuna ni tina driver no or controlling. Good. Then you did well. Sir, that trailer no so kolodu container. Ewo baby na se when head na enya trailer na so kofa oven ultimate unplug man nye because you will be trailer no ewo head na so wo nti reverse na se be sha ene ye turntable okay na be she na unlock nti lock si na atwe na the load container untimi fa nkotwe oven e fa load container man nye untimi fa nkotwe Hyundai Mighty e fa nkofa container man nye nti nipa Bible say be man fem pade na the ball ba nti se wan konya wo trailer no wan konya the real partner no now kofa the wrong one and na wunya problem. Awarians na obe ware no Nyankopon enim wo mfim pade na ode bo no enim ba bia mfim pade na. So before you get married you have to pray and let the Lord himself, the creator himself help you identify your right partner before you go into it. Some years back, maybe worry. No craning a me any yere enim sa story way. Na lady bi wo and I'm hearing so which she knew. And I'm here said, I have to choose between the two. So I go back say me choose between the two. Na say me su ni penny ka say me choose and answer akono e dey choose a make mistake. The Nyankopon ye de bo am no as at that time. Enti me tene ne say me bompae na me ye fasting. Ti me ko share dumfa. Ko bompae for several days. That was 2006. Bompae. Na mpae no mu no ansa na opa na say me ware na me yire no. Keep up. Me da bia no mo yina ne phone never consistently. So what you say? Senta manya sa enanka me free me pemu so hu na makono nti me kofa oba bia keke ka be a mistake.
Chenenka oye mistake nka onuru
Gaminua
said he would do.
Oh,
behind every successful man,
there
is a giant woman, a successful woman beat and cheek. Enti papa, baby, papa, abiduri no now or chese. So obe warrior, king and pro bohom paye. Nenyan krumpon trade ampona, any won fempa dieno, and famam. Na one ye na uye vet car na wo kwatam trailer esi wo so a ene ya obemem na ase kura ase wa brabo ye waja ye di bibia kwesi ye ma last word
the America ma ahwefo nyina ehu no ma taking note say so open demons Satan or Onyankopon twedi ampon Yewo nyoma miense bi a mepese wo hwe. Yewo God the creator. Ena God the creator na se no ono ankasa wabo creature. God the creator no wabo creature. Creatures no ena obehu mboa ewo mu. Obehu nipa ewo mu. Obehu dia ka nyina ewo mu. Okay, inua creature. Under him no was under creature no and I said the essential creature here trading upon the creator na boy no eye nature. Miensa. The creator created the creatures and created nature. But as has say now 7:1 if you new creator ni and a creature ni and a nature ni. Creature no ubenya human beings no about 80 to 90% esum nature. Okay. Ena be kakra na aka no ena esum the creator ewo no kurem ene na akwan so. Entino dodo na every ha omosum nature no so no. Omayira ena misinformation and out of ignorance and lack of knowledge ena momukosum nature. But me twedi amponyankopon efra wa fra me efu no eso
eja me bo se metiwase ya creator nini ana
creature
creature ni
creature
yes which is second in command ana nature ni se yohwemu pa dia the nature mum na ese kesun
because creature no eye nipa no or in the image of the creator.
Inti omu mpa na ese kesun ye
e na osan so obo mu nyina wiye so human being no oye creature no e no creator no san hom butu no so homegu no inti we wo power chain nature.
The universe was given to
creator
so onhweso
inti nature e creature say
it is a domienche na okuani no ewo na fuo no bibia na ode ama obi se do
sen sa na oye ne pepepe nti na oka kire Adam say you on tilt the land na hana confusion so wo no he tilt the land na Nyankopon ka kire Adam antimi an tilt land no a unfinished job uncompleted. Now let me tell you, take it from me, and I'm telling you the gospel fact based on revelation and research. The Garden of Eden is nowhere on this earth.
I start to bomb back again. Bomb say ya na minim so beto confuse you mintina.
The fact of the matter, Obi hate me for the truth, I don't care. But I'll speak the truth. Yes, to buy no. Or kind of crane you almost or can busu some. Inti ya can crane be a cabusi Rollins or can no crane na so or Rollins Casado do a better bomb. May count the fact that your Garden of Eden is never on this earth. And no na Greek for a freno paradise, paradiso. And a bruni cast a more friend of paradise. Key force here, friend.
Samado. And I also.
So that's here. Now let's go. Tilt the land. And this are some way in our bow. Mammy break us in. And you know, land and now Adam and man tilt ye no. Yes, you to buy or bury ye as I see so dear no. Also go back to paradise. Say yeah, the Garden of Eden, a place of pleasure. Na oko wienti no says meja fie tena bia bebre ada e wo ho including the Garden of Eden na Adam wo ɛwɔ soro hɔ agya ne fie hɔ. This is not how God created mankind. Obu onipa na honam we ni hɔ. Take it from me.
Eja.
Me
time no esua. Nemom no me de nneɛma mmienu ato hɔ. Miɛnsa. 1. The Dark Kingdom. 2. Osi the Garden of Eden ne ni hɔ. Me remfi matwa to hɔ. 3. Osi saa honam we enye na Nyankopɔn de bɔ me. Nyame pa next week. Me mama wo de me honam na brɛ me. Nyame pa next week me srɛ hwɛ. Because saa me honam we me mpɛ.
Me say opa yenye momfrɛ me na yentra say I will give you quotations concerning saade ni nyina. Teaching ni bebre obi na fra nyame afra ne de
Onu uni asam. Nyame pa next week mu hia me. O say me skin we enye noa. Enti yese me kohwehwe ba bia me skin na koguo na me kogye. Atiefo ne ehwefo. Nyame pa next week. 1 momfam to mutiri mu na me ba akra me refia makai me. 1 the Dark Kingdom. The secret what Dark Kingdom any the demons anyway ebehwe. 2 the Garden of Eden, another bomb. Me and minim so beto bomb baako. Ano so ne bomb obi obeto bia ya na ye friend say the Russia bomb bibi bunyan a said countries bear 5,000. At the end of the day no owini argument bi o de beba bia wonya facts and Bible quotations prove but we nko ade me so me koy me research onua onso your research ni bi boa me ni emfamero say the Garden of Eden eni ho the last one
that you me say any assassin we so ha na ho enti na Yesu to kan say meja fie tina bia bebre e wo ho na me kɔ na makɔ akosiesie ba bia ma ho adenti na okosiesie ba bi na Bible say Yakobon bo wiase yo say bibia ye enti den na atochimanti a Kristo kwa akosiesie the Garden of Eden. Adam antimi antilti anwie siesie ho anwie ene ato na atwene na waba asase so no eye baby a enye ye tenabia aha ne punishment
enti se wo kire mu ya Garden of Eden na
mama kire skin no your skin we are some through more small light Oko Bible no Genesis chapter 1 tama nipa ye boni wie no nyank oti se Nyankopon ba ne de no ye okofa haban de ye de ekata good Nyankopon hu se no eno mo nye yi na Bible se okuma aboa e de ne honam ye de good this is you be me chire into details enye honko I will show you details.
Garden of Eden eni
ama Adam akasa erade se de na mani hu ade se wo de beto ha ne se de wo de skin we adwira me hu ne me hu ade se biu
because maybe obi so discover the Garden of Eden wo Egypt fine Garden of Eden eni asasi we so skin we enye no na Nyankopon de ma ye
last one from archaeology tablo fu no be na go no tutu onboa
na me pa next week ene aha ane ye de sua no ebesie da bia me ka che se wo pe nsempa no papa na atie me gini sa ye wo de wo pe se wo hu Dark Kingdom no in full episode na me pa next week ye de be bro koyem page Ifa Hills Ministry o Facebook na like ye page na subscribe afi ko YouTube Ifa Hills Ministry and also na like ye page no na ye drop new videos na on saka sabe aya another bia me ka se obi ko se ko subscribe ni page nipa no opese onya YouTube followers bebre here YouTube photo ya nka e baba no here osika no wo se bra ono benya kra nko besa to data ma o kra sa de beti asem wo se bra ono osika na anya no hwe ho no fesika anya hwe me ehira no enye se ompesika ni mum enye se wo se kohwe because obenya sika firi wonti ni mum se de be ya wo be fa sem no na de asem na bobra na asem na bo wonti ne se kohwe subscribe your page no Ifa Hills Ministry na in videos no yɛde to hɔ na wɔn saka nyame pa next week yɛbɛbɔ on the full episode of the dark kingdom bɛyie wɔ hɔ bɛyie ɔmo adwuma ne sɛn bɛyie ɔmo otumi bonsam no te ase bonsam ɔne ne te asase so ana ɔbaabi special wɔteɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ohu ebi nkura ase satan yɛakyekyere ne wɔ baabi ɛnokorɛ honhom ɔmo wiase no honhom yi yɛwɔ ɔmo so tumi ana ɔmo mmom na di yɛn so ne nyinaa no wobɛhu ɛyɛ nyame pa next week yɛde ne nyinaa bɛbrɛ agya yɛbɛda wase sɛ da bia yɛfrɛ wo a woba ɛne mpo de na menim sɛ ɔmma because sɛ wokɔyɛ program no wolande yɛ naa nam sɛ yɛntwɛn ne yɛmmra na yɛmmɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ yɛbɛserɛ sɛ nyankopɔn tuadi anko ɔmfa adom no mfiri adom nkɔ adom na ɔma ahoɔden bebree na afei ɔntumi anya ahoɔden kwan kyerɛkyerɛ yɛn nkyirima a ɛkai ne ntumi nsua nneɛma bi mfirim o legacy na wogya no sɛbe ebinom anya sika yɛ nneɛma bebree nanso ɔmo wuyɛ yi ɔmo num asɛm no anaasɛ ɔmo ahwɛda ngyadeɛ bi amfa ma yɛ nkyirima ne mom wode deɛ wuyɛ yi deɛ wogya nneɛma to ama nkyirima nneɛma a yɛn tete da nneɛma a ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛakatakata so na wobiebie deɛ kyerɛ sɛ de bɛyɛ bɛtumi de abɔbra nti agya yɛbɛda wase ɛnɛ nipa a mene ne dwu dwuma ɛyɛ prophet Ifa Hills a ɔda ɛyɛ Ifa Hills ministry agya yɛbɛda wase sɛ da bia yɛfrɛ wo a wogye yɛn so
me so me da wase
na me pa next week yɛbɛhyia
amen